Okay, first, if you open the software, if you recently work on something, this window will be pop up. If you want to create a new document, you have to go in this plus, this green plus. If you open it, you can see we have a lots of familiar preset A4, A1, A3 for your design. This is a device. You can choose one of these from here, or you can go here in the document setting, create your preset if you want. First, you can choose a document unit. I always use pixels. You can change DPI. It's dot per inch. Higher number, I don't want to go mathematical thing about them. Just higher number, we are more quality, more dot per inch, so we have more pixel and so on. So this is a pixel size based on whatever do you want. For example, 1000 pixel to this. You can type any number here that you want based on your desired pixel. Actual zoom size, you can make it to the default or any size of these, but make it to the default. You can change the color format, different color format. These are for printer. You have to choose between them. For photo, it's very important, but in a vector design, it's not very important. Color profile, we can choose them. And important part of this is just I will explain important thing of that. Transparent background, if you want to create PNG things and you don't want to the background, you have to turn on the transparent background to create the PNG for you. I will show you more about artwork, but art boards are a board that you can for example, it's the document inside document. We will show you more here in the artbook here. And these are not important. Multi-page is for layout. That if you want to create photo box and newspaper and you need multi-page, you can use that. You can turn it off. Margin and the bleed is for printing. You can add margin to the right top button, or the bleed for make sure that the printer print everything. The bleed is, for example, this part of your the margin of your page is very important. Drawing scale, where when you insert architectural maps, you can turn it on, but just we need such a these things. You can insert A4 and create document, and here is our document, and now we can work on it because it's. And another thing that I forgot to tell you here is this. You want here, you can make it the portrait or landscape. You can choose between them. So you can choose them. That's very easy. And then you can work on it. I always create my own background. I will show you more. Don't worry. I simply click and drag a rectangle on that and simply clear background, and from here I lock it. I will show you more. My eye is more comfortable with such a things. Okay, and after that, don't worry. If you create a document and you want to change the document, make sure that, for example, you are drawing something here and you select it, you cannot see that. Go to move tool to select nothing. Select on the canvas outside to select any nothing. And here you can access document setup again. Here's the document setup. You can see this is a document setup that you can change it again. You can see you can change all of that settings again here. Okay. Okay, that's the debug document, and we want to now working on our work, our design.